Okay. This one was 6 shots in the reduced A in under 4.5 seconds. And I did it, 309. Did it in 309. Now I'm going to walk up there. I didn't show you my first shot because it was perfect. I'll show you right now. My first shot was right on the A, one of these. And then my next 6, so I got, should be 7 shots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right there. Had to do it in under 4.5. I did it in 309. It's a really tight group in the reduced A. So that's a pass and a pass. So I got to do 2 in the reduced A zone in under 3.5. All right. Let's do this shit. First one was just a little low. Second one was in. Had to do it in under 3.5. I did it in 3.24. I think that's fucking awesome. Right there. First shot, second shot. Still, great fucking shot. Did it in 3.24. Target's 3.5. Fucking phenomenal. Now here's the thing. One of my good friends brought up to me the other day, people keep talking about this gun's better than that gun. The whole thing is, it doesn't matter. Any reputable manufacturer of a handgun is going to do the trick. The whole idea is to pick your weapon and practice with that weapon so you can hit standards like this. Okay? One shot out of concealment in under 2 seconds in the reduced A zone. Okay? 6 shots. It's called a bell drill. Staying inside of the reduced A zone under 4.5 seconds. You saw my times. 2 in the credit card. Consider it a fucking pass. These type of standards are what you need to be looking for. Doesn't matter what manufacturer. Pick your weapon. Decide you're going to own that weapon. Dry manipulate that weapon as much as possible. Dry manipulate that weapon every single day, even if it's only once when you take it out of the safe in the morning and once when you put it away in the safe at night. That's twice a day that you're dry manipulating that. Understand your trigger, okay? Trigger's got a little slop. Then it goes to its hard point. Then you bring that hard point to the point where it's going to snap. Know your functions of your gun better than anything else. People say Smith & Wesson, M&Ps versus Glocks, which one's better? Doesn't fucking matter. They're all the same. Learn your fucking shit, get to your standards, and fucking own that shit. Every draw should be from concealment. Should be a concealed draw every single fucking time. Use the timer. The timer induces stress. In the real world, if you have yourself a situation, stress. Use the timer as your times. That induces stress for you. Time yourself. That induces stress also. Because you want to be fucking styling. People say 9, 10, 11. I got to have a 45. I got to do this. Bull fucking shit. I heard somebody else once say that is a conversation for high schoolers. You can't put that type of a grouping at those speeds with a 45, especially with a 1911. 1911s, I own one. I fucking love it. I don't carry it. You know what? Why do I want a big old hammer cocked back and locked that's going to get snagged on my clothing if I got to pull it out? I'm not going to fucking do that. Pick it. Decide you're going to fucking rule it. Own it. Dry manipulate as much as possible. Practice with times on a timer, inducing stress, and get your fucking patterns down. Get your groupings tight. You know what? I'm going to do that credit card drill one more time. Because I fucking can. Again, credit card. It's under 3.5 in the credit card in the head. From concealment, 6 yards. Both are in. That's how fucking good it is. That's all you got to do. Keep practicing. 328. That was 328. Target's 350. Both are in the fucking credit card. Let's do it one more time. Oh, it was in though. 256, first shot.